Hi everyone, this is Miss Chung. Today I'm going to go over the assignment for today and a little bit of tomorrow. Today's assignment is mostly focusing on repurposing material. So the thing is yesterday's assignment we were focusing on making claims, evidence, and reasoning on wearing a face mask. And it's really important because nowadays, if you do go outside, you should be wearing a face mask. There are some counties already that are enacting this policy to wear face masks if you do go outside. I know in Riverside County, if you're not wearing a face mask, authorities there are able to fine you, which means that they're able to give you a ticket and that's going to cost some type of fee that you will need to pay because you're not wearing a face mask when going outside. Also, the thing is, if we are going outside, wearing a face mask is going to be very helpful for us and help protect us more protect us better than if we were not wearing a mask. And the thing is, I know guys, since we're going to be inside for the rest of the year, we're going to have to go outside eventually to go to either the grocery store or get cleaning supplies or something. So I know that even though you're not going to school, you're still going to have to, not you personally or someone you know, will have to eventually go outside. So today and tomorrow is going to be focusing on repurposing material to make a face mask. So I know we've been working on we started working on repurposing material last week, and we're going to continue that into this week. So the assignments for today is about repurposing material for a face mask. So you're going to be making a face mask out of the material you find at home. There are several ways to make a face mask depending on what you have. So you're going to be figuring that out today. What are you going to be making your face mask out of? Tomorrow, for Thursday, you're going to actually make the face mask. You can start it today, just so you know you can start your assignments early, but just so you know, today's focusing on finding the materials and tomorrow is focusing on making the actual face mask. I have videos on the next few slides to give you ideas on how you can make your face mask at home, and you can also go on YouTube and find those DIY videos on your own too. I just have a few that I think are pretty good, but there are hundreds of videos out now. If you find one you like better, then by all means, please go and use those videos. So the thing is, once you watch the videos and understand how to make a face mask, then you're going to be looking around your home to find materials you can use to make yourself one. Now, if you go to the Schoology website, there's going to be the attached worksheet for today's assignment. Okay, so you need to finish that worksheet to get points for today's assignment for Wednesday. So it should look something like this. It's repurposing materials face mask. So you're going to be completing this table. You do not need 10 items. I have it here, but they're there for you if you are planning to use 10 items. If you only need 2, just fill up to number 2 materials, not a big deal. If you need more, what you're going to be doing is you're going to have to insert more rows. So you're going to right click the bottom row, and you're going to insert row below, and then that's when you can add more rows if you need it. Now, that's only if you need to use more or you're planning on using more materials, okay? Then you should add it. Once you list whatever you're going to be needing, maybe material 1, and I'm only going to use 2 materials, material 2, you're going to explain why you chose this material to use, and then you're going to explain what this material will be used for in your face mask, okay? So that's just going to be how it works. When you're done with this table, submit your assignment, and that's what is due for for Wednesday. I'm sorry. And so if I go back to here, now that's just the assignment for Wednesday, I'm sorry. Thursday assignment is you actually making the face mask, and you're going to be uploading a picture of you in your face mask as the assignment. Okay, so the videos do begin on the next few slides, and you're going to have to open the PowerPoint to get to the videos. But just so you know, there are DIY face masks with no sewing involved, because I know that not everyone has a sewing machine. There's this man who shows you 3 ways to make a face mask without any sewing. Here's another way of making a face mask without any sewing. But trust me, there are dozens of other ways of making it. It's all on YouTube. I didn't want to put too many videos on here. I just thought that these videos will show you a nice dynamic and difference of different materials and ways to make face masks. And I also added in one where you could use needle and thread or sewing if you happen to have that material available to you at home. So like I said, there are many ways you can make this. Please, if you don't feel like you have to do one of these types of face masks, you can utilize the entire internet to make whatever face mask you need or can make with whatever you have at home. Remember, we're repurposing materials we have at home. Do not go out and buy materials to make the face mask, okay? Just so you know, also, there's extra credit opportunity for Thursday's homework. Go check out Thursday's assignment to see what it is, okay? So I hope you have fun. I hope that you'll be able to make this face mask and utilize it for when you go outside. Remember that if you do make a cloth face mask, that you will need to wash it or try to wash it with something every time you wear it outside. You don't want to be wearing it outside continually, and because all the dirtiness or all the germs is on the outside of it. You don't want to accidentally flip your face mask and then get all the outside germs on your mouth. So remember that. If you do make a cloth face mask and you are going to be planning to wear it multiple times, please make sure you wash it in between your visits outside. Okay, so that's about it. If you have any questions, remember you can always email me or come see me during my office hours or live class sessions. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye.